Hello everyone and welcome back to FX Express Trends. My name is Jadie. I wanted to let everyone know that on my Depop shop I'm currently having a 20% off sale on all clothing items and accessories. So my shop pretty much caters to all alternative fashion styles, and I have a lot of versatile pieces as well, from things such as pre-loved designer shoes to fun dresses. I also have like these super cute originally designed frog stickers, and 3 new shoes are up on my shop as well. So just make sure you search for yellow tagged item. So I wanted to ensure that all the given prices and shipping costs there are firm, everything will come washed and sanitized, and make sure to check the descriptions of each of the items listed to see the quality and state of each item. I am very quick with DMs, so please message me with any questions or anything that concerns you about a certain item. I also have a little favor to ask you guys, to anyone and everyone watching. So if you do see this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video with other people who are currently looking for cute clothes or are searching for things similar to things that I have on my shop. Anyways, thank you guys so much for the support. Make sure to check out the 20% off sale, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!